Hi, I'm Greg Schnell and welcome to Osprey Strategic. The name of the website was set up to help us define an osprey hovering above the market, dives down, picks up what they like and ride that trend higher. I want to try and help you do that in a timely fashion. Make sure that you're involved in the market when the market is trending higher and out of the market, or at least protecting your portfolio when the market is going sideways to down. So how do we do that? By looking across assets like commodities, currency, stocks, and bonds, we can make decisions to see where the market is flexing, where it's moving to. And each time the market tops out, typically we start to see different types of leadership at each one of those peaks. So you'll get a weekly newsletter that covers off the most important charts in the market. I go through thousands of charts a week. We send you a daily setup each and every day. The monthly conference call is an opportunity to interact with us on a timely basis to try and see the big shifts in the market. It usually covers off things that we don't get a chance to cover off on the weekly newsletter, but I also write articles through the week. I also contribute to Stock Charts Market Buzz, and each week that opportunity goes through different industry groups that are taking off or changing in complexion. So the purpose of the Osprey Strategic website is to give you a unique view into the market using the Schnell Strength Indexes that we created to get you in near the lows and protect your portfolio near the highs. It does take a few cycles to start to understand how it works, but once you're on the rhythm of the market, it's a lot easier to perform well. And I think you'll find, even as a beginning investor or a high net worth individual, that you can cycle money in and out of the market in a timely fashion to help improve your trading. And it's much easier when there's a big thrust there, but you have to be in early in the thrust. You can't wait a month for the thrust to kind of get all set up and then say, gee, it feels safe now, and then get in. That's not the purpose of the market. It makes you feel awkward to be putting money to work near the lows, and then near the highs, the euphoria is just so good. I just want to stay in the market. And yet your portfolio rolls over and you're sitting there saying, I wish I would have taken the profits when I got the clues. So try the website for a year. Just see what's going on. See if it's got something for you. If that's too much of a commitment, try the monthly. Just try a first month. Get in, see what's going on, get some of the newsletters, some of the daily setups. When the market is correcting, it's going to be harder to make money, and I typically just stand aside. But when the market's actually running, I buy into it and I try to ride it up. If I have something that continues to work while the market's correcting, that's okay. I just make sure that my stops are there, and if it starts to correct, then I'm out. But the idea of staying in something that continues to run is really important, and the concept of getting out quickly if the market is starting to take your profits away is equally as important. So don't be so worried about missing the big upside, but be worried about protecting your capital. Because for me, if I don't have capital, I can't make future gains. I want to protect that capital at all costs. Again, walk around the website, try it for a while, see if you can get into the rhythm of the market better. I've got people that have been following my work for over 10 years now. They've followed me through stock charts, and since I started Osprey Strategic, they've been on board with the changes. I want to make sure that you get the opportunity to have a unique view into the market from my perspective, and just see if it can help you make bigger profits. Hopefully that's what you'll find. Good luck and best wishes in your trading adventure.